Welcome to the Automotive News Channel, where we provide in-depth reviews of the most exciting and powerful cars on the market. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 RS 992, equipped with the Manthey-Performance-Kit, a collaboration between Porsche and Manthey Racing to push the already track-focused GT3 RS to new heights. Now, let's get into the details of the 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 RS 992 Manthey-Performance-Kit, from its aggressive exterior to the incredible engine performance. The front end of the 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 RS 992 with the Manthey kit takes aerodynamics to a new level. The lightweight carbon fiber front splitter has been extended, further increasing downforce at high speeds, allowing for more grip during track cornering. The iconic 911 headlights with integrated LED matrix lights keep the sleek Porsche look intact. But the Manthey Racing influence is clear, with the addition of extra cooling vents and aero enhancements designed to improve airflow around the front wheels. The Manthey-Performance-Kit equips the GT3 RS with even more carbon fiber components, including carbon fiber side skirts and aerodynamically optimized wheels designed specifically for reducing drag and improving cooling to the brakes. The 20-inch front and 21-inch rear magnesium wheels are ultra-lightweight, wrapped in high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires. At the rear, the Manthey-Performance-Kit takes the already aggressive GT3 RS to another level. The massive rear wing has been redesigned with adjustable settings for maximum downforce and stability, especially at high speeds. This double-layer swan neck wing provides more downforce than the standard RS, ensuring that the rear of the car remains planted, even during high-speed cornering. Under the rear deck, the 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 RS 992 Manthey-Performance-Kit is powered by a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine, producing a spine-chilling 525 horsepower. While the engine remains unchanged, Manthey has worked on enhancing the car's aerodynamics and handling, making it faster around the track. The Manthey-Performance-Kit includes upgraded coilover suspension, fine-tuned by Manthey Racing for optimal performance on the Nürburgring and other famous tracks. With adjustable dampers and spring rates, the suspension can be tailored to the driver's preferences, making the GT3 RS even more agile and responsive. The Manthey-tuned braking system includes larger ceramic composite brakes that offer exceptional stopping power, even under the most extreme conditions. Thank you for watching the Automotive News Channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest in the automotive world.